Alright, today we're going to do a unboxing of a Makita model C225R lithium-ion two-piece combo kit, 18 volt. It's all in one. I'm going to start by pulling it out. Comes in this nice zippered carrying case. It has a strap which can attach it on. Carrying strap, pretty comfortable. I'm gonna go open this. You see it has one driver on the left and one driver on the right. Looks like the charger in the middle. Each of them have their batteries on it. We'll go and pull this one out. We have this one, XFD10. Has the battery. The batteries are dead. Have to charge them up. The other driver is the XDT11, 18 volt. These are fairly lightweight. Here is the charger setup. This is pretty standard for Makita. And that's pretty much it. That's your unboxing.